Consecutive frame images are a series of individual image frames that are captured in a sequence, with each frame representing a specific moment in time. Open the video in the PotPlayer. Set the point in the video to take the consecutive frame images. Right-click in the PotPlayer. Point over to the video. Video capture. Capture consecutive images. Set image storage folder. Image type and size. Number of frames. The interval between every image. After everything is set, click Start. All the images will be saved to the selected folder.